Most people buy a pellet grill and then watch it slowly flake away like a cheap sunburn after just 2 seasons. It is a heartbreaking sight. You spent all that money on a shiny new machine only to have the painted panels rust out before you even master your brisket. That is exactly where the stainless steel monster from a certain Georgia-based company starts to change the game. We are looking at a machine built like a tank. It does not rely on those thin painted sheets that most brands use. Instead, it uses actual stainless steel construction. This means it can live on your patio without turning into a pile of orange dust. Inside that heavy lid, you have enough room for 5 full porks or about 75 chicken wings at a single time. That is enough food to feed an entire neighborhood block party without breaking a sweat. But the real magic is not just the size. It is the brain of the machine. Most pellet grills act like a wild horse. They jump up and down in temperature constantly. This one uses a high-grade controller with an algorithm usually found in pharmaceutical labs. It locks your heat within 5 degrees of your target. That kind of precision is almost unheard of in the backyard barbecue world. Most competitors start to struggle once they hit 500 degrees. This beast pushes all the way to 700. That makes it a rare breed that can actually sear a steak instead of just baking it. The company behind it has been around since the late 2000s. They are refreshingly honest about how they build things. They spent time vetting over a dozen different manufacturers overseas until they found one that could meet their specific standards for steel. They have stuck with that same partner ever since. That kind of consistency is why they offer a solid 4-year warranty. It shows they actually believe in the product. Now, it is not perfect. No piece of gear ever is. The mobile app works fine for checking your meat temps from the couch, but it lacks the flashy polish of those massive national brands. Some owners also mention that the smoke flavor is a bit light when you are running at lower temperatures. If you are a hardcore smoke purist, you might find yourself adding a separate smoke tube to get that deep, heavy flavor. And then there is the hopper. There is no easy way to empty the wood pellets. If you want to switch from hickory to cherry, you are going to be in there scooping them out by hand. It is a bit of a chore, but look at the price tag. You are getting way more space and significantly higher heat for hundreds of dollars less than the famous brand name alternatives. When the value gap is that wide, a little bit of manual scooping starts to feel like a very small price to pay. It is a heavy-duty, set-it-and-forget-it machine that is genuinely built to last. If you want a grill that actually survives the elements while giving you pro-level temperature control, this is a very strong contender for your backyard.